Hello and welcome back to APC Showroom Talks. My name is Aaron. I'm part of the trade sales team here at All Purpose Coatings. Today we'll be talking to you about stylish hardware and flooring options for the heart of the home, your kitchen. Let's kick things off with our UltraFlake system, a favourite for kitchens thanks to its incredible durability, customisation and low maintenance. UltraFlake gives you a seamless, non-porous surface that resists stains, holds up to constant foot traffic and is super easy to clean. Ideal for kitchens where spills, splashes, dropped utensils are just part of everyday life. You can customise everything from the flake size to the colour blend with the addition of the highlights and gold mica to make it a really tailored look for your home. If you're after something with a clean, natural stone appearance, HyperFlake. It's a great alternative. It offers the same seamless, hard-wearing surface as the UltraFlake, but in a curated range of popular colour blends that suits most modern kitchens. Like all our flake systems, it's designed to hide the dirt and mess while remaining easy to clean and maintain, helping keep your kitchen looking sharp with minimal effort. For a more industrial or contemporary finish, our cut and coat system delivers a polished concrete look with all the performance and benefits of an epoxy coating. It's tough, stain resistant, non-porous, perfect for high use spaces where practicality and design need to work together. This system offers a sleek, modern aesthetic and fits right in with open plan or minimalist interiors. And if you're after something bold or completely custom, check out our swirl coat, metallic marble systems. These options give you full creative control, from subtle marble-like effects to a vibrant, high-impact galaxy design. They're perfect for homeowners wanting a statement floor. And like all our solutions, they're seamless, hygienic, grout-free, meaning less time in cleaning and more time enjoying your space. For outdoor kitchens and our fresco areas, our flake systems can be extended outside and finished with a grit additive for added slip resistance, giving you a cohesive, practical flooring solution across indoor-outdoor zones without compromising on safety or style. That's all from me today. If you'd like to learn more about any of our epoxy systems, see our samples up close, feel free to pop into any of our showrooms across Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria or WA, or leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time on APC Showroom Talks.